Sure, wudu, wudu, ready for Salah. Hiya, I'm ready. Let's go pray.
It's Zayan. First,
We need wudu. Oh, wudu time.
yes,
And remember, use water carefully. We must not waste it. Small splashes, not big splashes.
that's right.
Uh-oh, my foot is wobbly. I've got you.
Thank you, Zakia.
Wudu is done. Now we're ready for Salah. Wudu, wudu, come along. Clean and ready, sing our song. Wudu, wudu, 1, 2, 3. Come and learn with Zakia and Zayan with me. Wudu, wudu, wash, wash, wash. Clean our hands with a little splash. Wudu, wudu, clean and bright. Ready for Salah, hearts feel light. Wash our hands gently now, carefully, and don't waste water. Tiny splashes, nice and small. Use just what we need, that's all. Zayan splashed, oh what a surprise. A little water flew by Zakia's eyes. Careful, Zayan, I know. Small splashes, not big splashes. Wudu, wudu, wash, wash, wash. Clean our hands with a little splash. Wudu, wudu, clean and bright. Ready for Salah, hearts feel light. Now our feet, 1 foot, 2. Wash them gently, clean them too. Whoa, 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 whoa. I've got you. Don't worry, brother, I am here. Teamwork makes the wudu clear. Hands are clean, face is clean, arms are clean, feet are clean. Wudu, wudu, wash, wash, wash. Clean our hands with a little splash. Wudu, wudu, clean and bright. Ready for Salah, hearts feel light. Wudu helps us get prepared for Salah with hearts that care. Use water wisely, don't waste a drop. Remember Allah from start to stop. Clean our bodies, clean our way. Thank Allah every single day. Wudu, wudu, now we know. With careful hearts, let's go, go, go. Like and share, come sing today. Subscribe to SimSim Kids and play. Learn with Zakia, learn with Zayan. Sing our songs and smile all day long. Wudu, wudu, wash, wash, wash. Clean our hands with a little splash. Wudu, wudu, clean and bright. Ready for Salah, hearts feel light. Wudu, wudu, step by step. Remember Allah with every step. Wudu, wudu, now we know. Clean and ready, let's go. Wudu, wudu, ready for Salah. Your next adventure, like, share, subscribe.